lawsuit right now. I purchased a MacBook Air. I worked so hard and I nearly finished. A change of plan. We originally were going to hit the gym, but my sister's thigh eye is actually hurting her really bad. So
yeah, I'll show y'all.
Yeah, show them.
Look into my eyes.
Oh my god,
it looks so humpy.
Anyway, so because of that, I'm just gonna go to the library today. I'm not to the library. We're gonna go to Barnes & Noble because I'm gonna study at the cafe just for the vibes. I tried this new hairstyle that I got from Xiaohongshu. I'm gonna go change and then we're gonna pack a bag and then we're gonna go. I made myself a matcha. I actually prefer the whole milk better than the oat milk. I got Chobani oat milk, and actually Chobani is going through a lawsuit right now in regards to their yogurt. I don't know about their milk though. Anyways, let's get started with work. So yesterday I purchased a MacBook Air, and today I'm gonna go pick it up at the mall after I drop my brother off at work. So we're gonna go get my MacBook together. noodle salad that my mother made. Anyways, I'm gonna eat while editing because I have a lot of editing to do. So we're gonna do that while eating. Guys, I was literally freaking editing, okay? I worked so hard and I nearly finished. And then the videos wouldn't, not the videos, but the clips wouldn't load. They wouldn't load. And so now I literally have to input the clips all over again and then edit all over again. But okay, the clips are finally all in. I just have to re-edit all over again. But I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna go play with my baby sister because she wants me to go play with her. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
My drama's ending.
Even though we're going at a really slow even though we're going at a really low what? Even though I'm going at a really slow pace.
Ah, that does.